Hello everyone, my name is Reeti and I'm here to bring to you Parrot Wisdom on YouTube. For people who already follow Parrot Wisdom on Facebook, must know that we promote the idea of expression is liberty. Because indeed, expression liberates the soul. The connection of expression and parrots come from the fact that parrot is the spirit animal of communicators, which in fact are the various ways in which we express ourselves. In our page, you will come across various interesting facts on parrots and their association with various forms of expression and creativity. It shall be filled with unique ideas, creative contents, facts and fun. To know us more in detail, subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow our page on Facebook and stay tuned to know more.